Welcome back. The government will freeze the regional plan and construction licenses till further orders. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said the decision on late Mathani's wife Alina Saldana's candidature would be taken after his month's mind mass of the late tourism minister. The CM says administrative changes would take place within 2 weeks. The government will also soon set up a mechanism to monitor transportation of petrol at the state borders.
Manohar Parrikar says decision on late Mathani's wife Alina Saldana would be taken after month's mind of late tourism minister after 20th April. CM would move note to freeze the regional plan 2021 and construction licenses issued after governor's speech. He says decision on medium of instruction and the regional plan would also be taken after 20th April.
हांवें म्हणल्यार सोमारा म्हजो नोट वतलो टू फ्रीज regional plan, and in case some approvals have been granted from 20th, well, those should be immediately put up for the government because they cannot be done. When governor spoke in the assembly, it is the policy of the government, so it freeze comes from that effect.
सर माथानीची बायल एक कॉन्टेस्ट करपाक लागले म्हणून तिच्या खातीर वेकंट
तो विशय जो कितें आहा चर्चा ती 20 तारीख जाली मंथ मास जालो कितें जाता 20 तांच्यांनी 20 तारखेक दवरलेलो आहा तो 21 तारखेक कोणाचो तरी फिस्ट आहा थंय सो 20 तारीख जाली की 21 22 23 ह्या 2-3 दिसां भितर आय एम नॉट सेटिंग माय टायम टेबल बट अराउंड दॅट टायम इट शूड बी एज कन्विनियंटली इट वील बी डिस्कस्ड एंड देन डिसिजन टेकन. डिपार्टमेंटाक खूब शिस्त आयिल्ली आसा फक्त तो म्हणटा ते बरोबर अधिकारी त्याच जाग्यार आसात ते थोडेशे बदल जे आसा ते येणाऱ्या आठवड्यान जातले. प्रशासकीय बदल इन द कमिंग वीक 20-21 तारखे पासून ह्यो सगळ्यो मिटिंगो चालू जातल्यो फटाफट लायनी स्टेक होल्डर्स म्हणजे तांकां एक ग्रूप आपोवन ते पयलींच्या हांच्यांनी कितें केलां तें आपोवन लिगल पोजिशन यू वेट अप टू 20th यू विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग वन बाय वन देर आर 5-6 इश्यूज मेनी MOI आहा computer teachers finally so all those things will orders will start coming हे आसा regional plan आसा like that हय 20 ते 30 ह्या तारखांनी ते येतले आतां तांकां दिले न्ही खाती आतां फाल्यां परवा बुधवारा कॅबिनेट पेट्रोलाच्या संदर्भान एक गजाल सांगूंक सोदता हांव की वी आर मॉनिटरींग द बॉर्डर चेक पोस्ट पेट्रोल पंप बाय नेक्स्ट वीक वी आर सेटिंग mechanism by which I will know how much every week how much petrol has been sold from the border. There is no need to panic. There are many people from the neighboring state who come for work in Goa. वता आसतना ते भरून वता काय चुकीचें ना हातून गेले म्हणून कितें जालें मुद्दम येणाऱ्यो थोड्यो गाडयो आसतल्यो ना अशें न्हय न्हय आमी पेट्रोल पंपाक जर ते हातून भरीत कॅनान किंवा बॅरलान भरीत जाल्यार वी विल टेक एक्शन.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar and Devendra Gaonkar.
A slab of a government quarter at Alteen Panji collapsed on Sunday. 2 girls were injured in this incident. One has received head injuries, whereas the other has leg injury. Both are admitted in Goa Medical College. Locals claim that the building is around 35 to 40 years old and is lying in a neglected state.
The incident occurred at around 10:30 in the morning on Sunday. The slab of a kitchen of the government quarters at Alteen Panji collapsed. The quarter is allotted to a government employee, Kanta Sheth. His 2 daughters, Kiran and Gauri Sheth, who were busy with Sunday breakfast, received injury and were shifted to the GMC. Mayor of Panji, Vaidehi Naik, visited the quarters. She said that the government will take necessary steps.
एक्शन म्हणजे हांव जस्ट पळोवपाक म्हाका कळ्ळें आनी हांव हांगा आयलां जस्ट पळयलां आतां फुडें कितें एक्शन घेवपाची ते ऑफिशियल्स येवन इन्स्पेक्शन खूब वर्सांचे न्ही ह्यो.
Kanta's neighbors claim that building is around 35 to 40 years old. Moreover, the maintenance of the building is poor.
सकाळी फुडें हांगासर ती बसलेली न्हू च्या करपाक स्वयंपाक करपाक वयल्यान अचानक स्लॅब पडलो तकलेर पडलो तेंच्या आनी एकट्याच्या पांयार पडलो कळ्ळें आनी हांगासर गोवोरमेंटाक आमी फक्त वचोन इन्क्वायरी ऑफिस आहा थंय व्हरोन बरयता येता मातशें लेप लायता वयता कांय एक्शन घेना कांय हें जायना हेजेर त्या एडीक फाटल्या सिटापान दुसरो आनी एक कटोसान उजो पेटलेलो शॉर्ट जाली आनी अशीच वायरींग तो आतां तसोच आहा अजून केला काय खबर.
However, PWD engineer of maintenance, Michael Barreto, who inspected the site, claims that they maintain the quarters.
See, these buildings are old. Mainly it happens because of corrosion. I think the building must be more than 30 years old. And when it gets corroded inside, you can't make out from underneath until finally it falls down. But whenever complaints come, we see that it is repaired.
Our reporter from Panji, Devendra Kaukar, with video journalist Sushant Pal.
Congress has formed a panel headed by Defence Minister A.K. Anthony to go into the cause of the party's defeat in Goa and Punjab. The review committee includes Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit and Union Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde as members. It will give its report to party President Sonia Gandhi.
Congress party suffered heavy defeat in Goa assembly polls. It was a poor show in Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. It failed to get majority of its own in Uttarakhand too. Only exception was Manipur, where it continued to be in power, wrote a fresh term. Sources say the committee has been formed to identify shortcomings in the recent polls in the 4 or 5 states that had gone for assembly election. This will help improve party's prospects for the 2014 parliamentary election. We contacted the GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar. In a telephonic conversation with Prudent, Shirodkar confirmed the report.
काँग्रेस पक्षाच्या हायकमांडाच्या दृष्टीने गोवा, उत्तर प्रदेश आणि पंजाब या तिन्ही राज्यां भितर काँग्रेस पक्षाक जो पराभव पत्करचो पडलो त्याची कारण मीमांसा शहानिशा करपा खातीर केंद्रीय समितीन 3 लोकांची बैठक आमची समिती नेमिल्ली आसा A.K. एंथनी हांच्या नेतृत्वाक सकयल आणि ही कमिटी एक तरी प्रत्येक राज्यांत वचूंक शकता किंवा प्रत्येक राज्याचे प्रतिनिधी जे असतात त्यांना दिल्ली आफोन घेऊन तांच्यानी सविस्तर चर्चा करतली आणि जी कितें रिजन्स आसात जी कितें काही कारणां आसात पराभवाक हे जाली साबीत जाल्याची ती कारण मीमांसा स्टडी करून त्याचा अभ्यास करून ताजो रिपोर्ट जो आसा पळय न्ही तो केंद्रीय समितीक दितले किंवा आमचे सोनिया गांधी पक्षाचे अध्यक्षा आणि राहुल गांधी जे आमचे जनरल सेक्रेटरी आसात तांकां दितले.
एक वेळ तुमकां दिल्ली वचचें पडू शकता न्हू ह्या चौकशी
आसा की फुडल्या आठवड्याक एखादी दिल्ली वचचें पडटलें. हांव मागीर दिगंबर कामत नंतर प्रताप सिंग राणे वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट सार्दिना आणि आमचे बाकीचे प्रॉमिनंट लिडर्स लायक चर्चिल किंवा अलेक्स सिक्वेरा असे लोक जे असतात त्यांच्या एखाद्या आपण घेऊ शकता ते सगळ्याचो एक रिपोर्ट घेवपाचो म्हणून.
The second round Panchanama of Congress polls defeat has begun. This is a preparation for 2014 Lok Sabha poll. Party sources have hinted at a major revamp of the state cadre. With bureau inputs, our reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent Media.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.